To use Klarna with Expedia, start by opening the official Expedia website and logging into your account. If you don't have an account, create a new one. Once logged in, you'll see a page where you can discover new destinations, find hotels, and more. To pay using Klarna, find the items you want to book, such as a hotel, and add them to your cart. Then, proceed to checkout, where you'll be offered the option to pay using Klarna if it's available for your purchase. You can view and select your preferred Klarna payment options, pay for your purchase, and manage your orders and payments in the Klarna app. When reserving a room, you can select the option to pay now, which will give you the option to choose Klarna as your payment method if it's available for that hotel. Note that not all hotels accept Klarna, so you may need to find one that does. Once you've selected Klarna as your payment method, you can start booking. The process is relatively simple, and by following these steps, you should be able to use Klarna with Expedia without any issues.